How to block ads on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block ads on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here, under the Manage Connection section, you can see the Private DNS. So simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select the third option labeled as Private DNS Provider Hostname. And once you have selected it, on the text field, simply type dns.adguard.com and just save it, and that's it. Now it will block ads on your Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.